After Porsche hit-and-run case in Pune involving a minor, reckless driving and overspeeding have claimed yet another life, this time in Mumbai. Around 5:30 a.m. on Sunday, when Kaveri and Pradeep Nakhwa were returning after buying fish, their scooty was rammed into from behind by a speeding BMW, driven allegedly by Mihir Shah. While Pradeep was badly hurt, his wife Kaveri tragically succumbed to injuries. Mihir, the 24-year-old son of Rajesh Shah, a Shiv Sena leader, absconded after the crash.
The main accused, Mihir Shah, who is currently absconding, is believed to be the son of deputy leader of Palghar district's Maharashtra Shiv Sena unit of the Eknath Shinde camp. Also, it is evident the way in which the sticker has been destroyed in order to avoid any kind of a problem. This very car was being driven by Mihir Shah at the time, and their driver Rishi Raviraj Bidawat, who both of them abandoned the car at Kalanagar in Bandra East, and they took separate autos and left.
His father, Rajesh Shah, who owns the BMW, has been arrested along with his driver. Mihir's girlfriend is also being questioned on charges of giving him refuge. India Today has learnt that the BMW's insurance had also expired.
राजश्री बिड़ावत, उसको हमने तपास के लिए आगे के इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए ताबे में लिया हुआ है, और उसके साथ ही राजेश शाह इस तरीके से दो व्यक्ति को इस गुने के इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बारे में उनसे पूछताछ जारी है.
Chief Minister Eknath Shinde assured an impartial investigation, adding that the guilty will not be spared.
मैंने पुलिस के साथ बात की है, मेरी बातचीत हुई है. इसमें कोई भी हो उसको एक नजरिए से देखा जाएगा, किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा. कानूनी कार्रवाई जो है वो सख्त की जाएगी नियम के अनुसार.
Opposition Uddhav Sena and Congress attacked the Shinde Sena government.
बघा, हे शाह कोण आहेत आता आपण सगळ्यांनी माहिती घ्या, पण आमच्या इथे कोळीवाड्यातल्या एका व्यक्तीवर त्यांनी गाडी चालवलेली आहे. आणि सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे बघा, कोणी कुठल्याही पक्षाचं असलं तरी मी तरी आता ते राजकीय करणार नाही, लगेच राजकीय रंग यायला मी देणार नाही. या भारताचा नागरिक म्हणून माझी ही मागणी राहील की कडक शिक्षा झालीच पाहिजे, आणि जो गाडी चालवत होता त्याच्यावर शिक्षा झाली पाहिजे. सगळे एव्हिडन्स आहेत, त्याच्यावर कारवाई झालीच पाहिजे.
India Today has also accessed CCTV images of Mihir and 4 of his friends leaving a Juhu bar at 1:40 a.m. in a Mercedes, hours before the tragedy. Cops are probing if Mihir was driving drunk and then snuffed out alive. With Dev Kotak from Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.